Felters, we've only gone and done it 100K. I cannot believe 100,000 people have sat there and gone, I'm going to subscribe to that channel, you know. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 100,000 thank yous back to you guys. Honestly, it's incredible. I reached it earlier today. I kept watching it. It was like watching it's like watching the kettle boil. It went up and then it went down a couple, and then it went up and then it went down, and then finally it went up. So thank you so much. Now, in order to give something back to you guys, I have got some courses on my Thinkific site. It will be all linked down below. They're normally a variety of prices, but as of for the next 24 hours, they are going to be £1 only for any of my courses. So if you've ever thought about buying one, do go over there. My PDFs on Etsy are going to be £1 too. So next 24 hours, if you're watching this video, go and grab yourself a massive bargain. Also, I'm going to release on my Patreon, I've got some exclusive tutorials over there. So I'm going to release one of my more popular ones, which is my little wool ball sheep. I'm going to do that tomorrow to say thank you for you guys. So just pop into the description below if you want the information on the discounted courses. You won't have to enter a code or anything, so everything will be £1 for the next 24 hours. Thank you so much. Lots more planned for this channel, and I hope you will stay on the journey with me. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Take care.